Okay guys, in this video we will be checking out how we can make up to $200 trading boom and crash. Okay, it's going to be a very simple analysis that we will be analyzing together right here in this video, so that you get to see how we do the analysis, and of course you too can also do that from your end. So we will be doing this together right now in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you love the content you're getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and of course make sure you do your own personal practice before you try them out on your real account. Okay, so this is very important. Now let's go straight to what we have right here. So we will be going through the charts one after the other. So we'll be starting with boom 1000. I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, and of course if you have, kindly follow up with what we're doing right here. Okay, so this market has not really been able to break out from this particular support region. Okay, and if you should notice, it has also been playing within these spots, resistance zone and this support zone. Okay, so this time around it has got into the resistance zone, so it is going down to see if it will be able to break out below this. Okay, so once it breaks out below this, then definitely it will sell more. Okay, so that means it will be getting to this region. Okay, but if it does not break out below this, then it will go back up to try out the resistance zone. If it breaks out above the resistance zone, then it should get to this particular spot. Okay, and of course if it breaks out from here, then it should get to the to this particular resistance zone totally. Okay, so that is for boom 1000. So you guys should take note of it. For now it is still playing within this region. Okay, so if you have been in the market, then you can still be playing within this region, but once it breaks out below this support zone, then we should be heading to this particular spot. Okay, and of course if it breaks out above this, we should be heading to this. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Boom 500 had been on downtrend right from this resistance and got to this region, had a pullback, went back uh, down again, and of course it has got into this support zone. It has not been able to break out from there, so it's trying to go back on uptrend. However, we need it to break out above this spot. Okay, so once it breaks out above it, then definitely it's going to buy more. Okay, so we expect it to go for more buying opportunity if this happens. Okay, and if it happens, we expect it to get to this particular region. Okay, we expect it to get to this particular region. Sorry. Okay, it should get to somewhere here, and if it breaks out from there, we expect it to get to this spot, guys. Okay, yeah, and of course if it breaks out from here, then it should get to this resistance zone. Okay, so this is very important. Let's check out crash 1000. This is crash 1000. This had been on a very strong uptrend, got to this resistance zone, had a pullback, went back up again to break out above it around here, and of course it is getting to this resistance spot. Okay, so if it breaks out above this resistance spot, then definitely it's going to buy more, but if it does not, then we expect it to sell. And if it is going to be selling, then we expect it to get to this support zone once it starts selling, and if it breaks out from there, it should get to here. And of course guys, if it breaks out from here, then we expect it to get to this region, and if it breaks out from here, then it should be going down. Okay, so this is very important. Let's check out crash 500. This is crash 500. Crash 500 had been more of a downtrend. Okay, right from the resistance zone, got to this support zone, had a pullback and came back again, and had another pullback, and of course it's coming down again. Okay, so we expect it actually to break out from this support zone. If it does not, then it will go back up to get to this resistance spot. Okay, so it is still within this resistance zone and the support zone. Okay, so we need it to break out from any of these two. If it does not, it will be playing within this region for a while, so you need to follow up with the movement. Okay, so but once it breaks out below this, then it should sell till it gets to this support zone. Okay, and of course if it breaks out above the resistance also, it should buy till it gets to this region. Okay, so all these are very important. So with all these highlighted TP sections, I believe you will be able to trade to have a successful trading activities today, and you should be able to make an average of $200 with a strategy. Okay, so it also depends on your trading capital anyway. And of course guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question at all, kindly drop your questions in the comment section. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.